channel. Thanks for watching my channel. Thanks for the likes, thanks for the comments and subscribing to my channel.
Today we are going to see Shepard Avocado guacamole. The speciality of this particular Shepard Avocado is it doesn't change into purple color. It just stays on the green color. That's the tricky part. So you have to touch the top of the avocado and see if it is sponge and soft. That means it's ripe and it is ready to cut. After removing the skin and seed, let's mash the avocados. After mashing them with the fork, we are going to add thin slit green chilies, 1 handful of coriander leaf, 1 grated garlic, half of small onion, and I washed it with water to remove the raw flavor, salt half teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, squeeze a lemon juice without the seed, and we are going to mix them well. Now our guacamole is ready. We are going to use it as a bread spread. You have to toast the bread and then use it as a spread, or you can eat it along with the chips. You can eat it plain as well.
Try this recipe at home. See you in the next video. Bye.